Twerking, man. My Twitch channel said your car named the TWERK.
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 I'll change it. Right now it's the POS.
The POS. Yeah, we're gonna name that thing TWERK. Whistle while you twerk. Let's go, here we come, y'all. Oh, that Rusty again? OG, triple OG Rusty, y'all. Look at the precision that he has coming up this first hill and past the first set. DT, look out. Tasha Smith, you still in here? Oh, that's somebody that used that girl Twitch. Oh, I thought he made it without hitting that gate. OG Rusty got one penalty. He hit a gate. Oh, boy, he got that thing cut. We got Chunk Beats in the building. Queen Marie 69 and Tasha Smith. Both of y'all gone already? Y'all just gonna come. Tasha Smith, you subscribe. You just gonna come in, subscribe, don't even speak. Oh, that's how you can break it?
Oh, yeah.
Damn, these things break.
Yes, sir.
I ain't heard nobody motor blow yet. I ain't seen nothing break. No tie rod in. Oh! We're making progress. Ooh, he did that. You got wrong. Boy, Rusty, no. God, that thing. You and Rusty must be cool, Gary. He be coming to your house on weekends?
We've been there a couple times.
Oh, okay, y'all been there. He be paying attention.
Yeah, that's some stupid gates back there. That was just dumb
Yeah,
mistake.
just blame it on the course. Yeah, it's not the driver.
It was just stupid mistake.
Yeah, I ain't even think it was OG Rusty. I seen a gate fall. I ain't know who it was. I had to look again. Man, that Rusty, man.
I've seen two people do the exact same thing.
What do you think the score is going to be, chat?
I give Cole. I give him a 0.
Right off the jump.
I give him a 0. Negative.
I think he's trying to redeem himself.
I give him a -2.
For a second.
He know what he doing. He just got a little torque. Oh, snap. Let's go. Somebody else on here gave him a 15. They think he ain't gonna mess up. A -15 or a positive one though? Wait a minute.
Hoping for a negative.
Yeah, we looking for a negative right now. Come on, Superstorm. Hey.
Ooh, that's just the right width, ain't it? We're okay, I see. kind of lost my.
Look at, I was just reading about the Astro World event. Pretty sad.
You got the tie right.
Break it.
Reverse.
Ooh, he probably should leave that wheel. Yeah. Ooh, he did it, y'all. Here it come. Well, look how cold he is.
You looked away. And you
I know. I was worried about where I was.
Dang, he looked away and hit the gate, man. I seen him about 2 hours. Like, he got it.
I
He
was worried about
cold.
where I was fixing to be stepping too.
Dang, man.
Dang, he just made that look easy.
Yeah,
Oh, he
Cartwheel.
Dang, man.
You were going good.
man, he missed, man.
You might be right, -2.
-2. Boy, he got that front end land. Damn, that thing know how to twist up. Is the suspensions adjustable?
Yes. So you can raise or lower the car. You could travel out.
So everybody got their own combination.
Yep.
Okay. So you probably just know some. Okay.
Yeah, I've had a few cars.
he was raised with
Yeah.
One of these in his hand.
Okay, progress. Oh, let's see what this score is. I told him I give him a 2.
I think you got like -6 or something.
-9.
-9. Okay.
Right on.
Barbecue lemon pepper. I want some barbecue lemon pepper. Give me a Sprite. Bottle of Dr. Pepper.
Alright, let's see who's up next. Yes, Charles.
Superstorm and say, Cody, you failed me. He
Might
was
be my
going.
uncle up in Oregon.
He wanted you to have a 15 negative.
I'm just chilling. That's easy.
Well, I've had a blast. That's all that counts.
Yeah, me too. I'm enjoying myself.
So where you out of?
Dallas, Texas.
I was just up in Garland doing this.
Oh yeah, they do this
Duck
in
Creek.
Garland.
Duck Creek.
Yeah, I know where it's at. I ain't know they be doing it over there.
A lot of YouTuber guys go over there. Oh yeah, you're good. We could probably do the next.